play. I can try. That game made me so tired.
Nothing. What are you doing? Marley, Nick, Ben, Alex,
and Maddie.
Maddie's
not even really here.
Is that Mr. or Mrs. Burr?
It's Mr. Burr.
How did you know?
Because I could hear him.
Yeah.
Because Justin's mom doesn't come in and say, "What are you doing?" She comes in and she said, "You need to do this, that, and the other thing," and Justin goes.
I complain, but she also complains, so I guess I know where I got it from.
I see.
Oh,
Marley,
it's
don't come in and
updating
tell me what
it's
to do.
taking very long.
And you have to say please. Because I get snippy if you don't say please.
You tell me to go into your kitchen while your parents are there and make you a whole meal, and you don't say please. And it scares the shit out of me. If they weren't there, I'd do it.
No. Hold up. Let's
if
rephrase.
they
I don't
were
ask you
there,
to make me a
I
whole meal. Sometimes I'll ask you, like,
No,
to
you
get me a
tell me.
snack.
Can
Or,
you
like,
make me
get me a
pizza?
drink. Yeah. Well, that's easy. You just shove it in the...
Yeah, but I can't do that. It's not my house.
Why'd you fluke Dismal Duststorm? Suck it, super. Actually die in like real life. What? What?